everyone, I just came back from the grocery store. Some Lipton Diet Berry Tea. I got some bananas, got some lemons, cabbage, 18 count of eggs, got some paper cups, paper plates, some vegan crumble things, some Mexican cheese, some sour cream, got some cauliflower rice, cauliflower rice, vegan spicy black bean patties and frozen meals, buffalo vegan nuggets, some broccoli, shredded lettuce, diced tomatoes, some plant-based patties, a tomato, cranberry juice, spaghetti, vegan sausages, vegan chicken, taco seasoning, got some potatoes, here's another thing of potatoes, vegetarian refried beans, some queso cheese, Korean barbecue sauce, some garlic powder, got some bread and some chips, got some cranberry ginger ale. Okay guys, that's it for my mini brief grocery haul. I got all these items from Food Line and I spent like $78, so that's not bad. Got a couple of meals, a couple of things for lunch, a couple of things for breakfast, a couple of things for dinner,